Well, hello, my faithful chickadees. How are you on this dreadful day? So, we're gonna be brave. Not stupid, mind you, because if it gets a little crazy, we'll be coming back. But, we gotta go watch the game tonight. It's the semifinals. I gotta watch it. So, and I got my little bag in case I need it. Because, yeah, I probably won't come home tonight if necessary. Because by then, that shit'll all set in. But, you know, we're warming the car up. Brushed it off. Still pretty loose. I mean, you could tell that there was sleet under it, but it doesn't seem too bad as far as on my car. It's slowly melting. And for those of you at the bar, if you don't see this motherfucker in an hour, send out a search party. Because yes, we gonna take it slow. And we gotta find a different route than taking that hill on 31st Street, because I ain't stupid. Not gonna do it. So, hey, if I see y'all, I see ya. If not, stay warm, bitches.